A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball that bounces on the street. C for cat with soft, soft fur. D for dog who loves to purr. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish who swims along.
G for goat who eats green hay. H for hat we wear all day.
I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jam, sweet in tummy. K for kite that flies up high. L for lion with a mighty cry. M for moon that shines so bright. N for nest where birds sleep tight.
O for orange, round and neat. P for parrot who talks so sweet.
Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rabbit hopping around. S for sun that warms the day. T for train that runs away.
U for umbrella in the rain. V for van down the lane.
W for watch that tells the time. X for xylophone, music in rhyme. Y for yarn, soft and new. Z for zoo with animals too.